Automatic header height control allows you to set different cutting heights and use them with a single function. It's a common functionality for all header types. You can access automatic header height control function from the Combine main menu. Click on the Combine icon on the top right corner of the terminal, then on the header settings icon. From there, you will see a configuration box, a vertical and the horizontal gauge. We will see how to configure a new header in the dedicated tutorial. The vertical gauge shows the header height, whilst the horizontal, the pressure level of the header. On the vertical gauge, you can see 3 different colored bars: red, yellow, and green. The red bar shows the set point of the cutoff height and the hectare counter level. This bar sets the target level of the full header lifting function while using automatic header height control. You will learn how automatic function works in detail in the automatic header height control settings tutorial. Also, below the red bar, the hectare counter is activated and above is automatically disengaged. Always keep the cutoff level monitored to have an efficient hectare counting. The yellow bar is the cutting setpoint 1, so the first cutting height you can customize. The green bar instead is the cutting setpoint 2, so the second cutting height of the automatic header height control function. In the automatic header height control settings tutorial, you will learn how to properly set the automatic header height control. At last, you will see the hydraulic header pitch adjustment icon when equipped. Watch the terminal on-screen tutorial second quarter, part 1, to learn how to adjust the header pitch. Remember also that you can quickly set different height parameters from the Info Plus menu.